Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Steak and pancake. It's maybe weird, but hey, it's absolutely delicious. And we're gonna start with this 2 centimeter ribeye steak. And I'm gonna salt it. And be generous. Some black pepper. And it is a 4-season pepper. Look at that peppercorns, delicious. And for some heat, some chili flakes. I love a little bit of heat in my meat. And you have to season both sides for maximum flavor. And you know, eating steak is all about flavor, so do it well. The steak is ready and we're gonna sous vide it. And if you don't know what sous vide is, well, let me tell you, it's an amazing technique. I always seal my bags 2 times, because if the seal didn't quite work out, then you ruin the meat, and you don't want ruined meat, believe me. So make a double seal. Now, one side is done, let's put our meat in. And you can fold it a little bit inside out and you can put the meat in. Now, let's pressurize this. Make a good seal. And you know, 2 seals. So first we're gonna make 1, check it, and then for safety, make another one. I want this ribeye to be perfect. It has to be delicious. So I'm not taking any chances here. Now our sealing is done. Now look at that, a beautiful ribeye. And I'm gonna let it rest in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Now this is my sous vide water bath. I just filled it with some tap water, but you can also use some hot water if you like. I'm gonna sous vide the steak on 52.5 degrees for 2 hours. Now let's do this. Let's put the steak in. Here we goes. Oh yeah. And it comes with a lid. We're gonna put it on so the heat stays in the water bath. For the pancake mixture, I chose a high protein pancake mixture. And I'm gonna put in some vanilla extract. I really like the taste of vanilla in pancakes. I'm adding almond milk. And it's about 800 milliliters. First I put in about the half. When it comes to mixing, I'm very lazy, so I use this mixing machine, and it really helps it make it fluffy and airy. I really like fluffy pancakes. Our mixture is done, and you can put it aside for now. The meat is ready. Oh man, let's cut it open and have a look inside. And oh man, you can really smell this delicious, I don't know even how to describe it. It smells already amazing, but it's still a little bit wet, so we're gonna dry it with some paper towels. That will be making the searing of the meat easier, better. Our steak is ready to be seared. Always start with a good olive oil. And as always, be generous. Now, put the steak in. And leave it there for at least 1 minute. Then turn it around and leave it again for 1 minute. And after 2 minutes of searing, the steak is ready. And we're gonna let it rest in some tin foil. Now, for our pancakes. Put in some butter. I really like to cover the whole bottom so that it doesn't stick too much. 2 big spoons of this delicious pancake mixture. And this needs to rest a little bit, so don't touch it. Go easy on it. And if it starts to bubble, then you know it's ready to be turned. Here you can see that it started to bubble, so that's okay. Now I'm gonna try to turn this, and I'm not really good at it, but hey, it still will be delicious. Oh yeah, I can smell the vanilla. Delicious. Now this pancake is done, and I made about 10 more. Now our steak has been resting for about 10 minutes. It's ready to be sliced. Now let's do this. I'm always happy when I'm slicing and I see that it's still a little bit pink inside. Oh yes, this steak is gonna be good. Now, always taste it. At least I do it. Let's plate. First, our beautiful pancake. I'm adding some arugula. You have to do some greens on it. Now our beautiful steak. Oh man, I could eat this like how it is already, but we're gonna do more with it, because you know I like cheese. We're gonna add some blue cheese. And man, steak and blue cheese, that's an epic combination. So I'm gonna put a lot of blue cheese on. I'm also gonna add some honey, just a little bit of agave honey, and some red onions. Oh yes. Now this steak and pancake is ready, and I really like the way it looks. Man, I'm gonna love this. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my steak and pancake. If you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, leave me a comment. You may also share this video with your friends and family. And as always, see you next time.